Yes. Take fresh page on the top keep heading. Chapter 13. Chapter 13. Surface areas. Surface. Surface areas and volumes. Surface areas and volumes. Today I am going to explain about what is perimeter, what is area, what is 2D figure and 3D figure. After that, what is plane figure and solid figure, difference between 2D and 3D. Next, what is surface area, lateral surface area, total surface area. Then volume concept, then we'll start our formulas. First concept I am going to explain in this chapter, perimeter. How to calculate perimeter? What is the concept of perimeter? What is the difference between area and perimeter? First concept I am going to explain, perimeter. Any geometrical figure they have given sum of measure of all sides, that is called perimeter. Distance around any circular region, any region, that is called perimeter. Sum of measure of all sides is called perimeter. Next, what is area? Area is the region covered by closed plane figure. Area is the region covered by closed plane figure. Then what is the meaning of plane figure and solid figure? Anyone student want to give answer? Just keep heading everyone. Two dimensional, 2D. Two dimensional. A 2D shape is a shape. Note down. A 2D shape is a shape. Don't write small d, write capital D. A 2D shape. A 2D shape is a shape. A 2D shape is a shape with two dimensions. With two dimensions. Such as length or breadth we can say, or we can say width and height. Width and height. Length or breadth, or width or height. When I am talking about 3D shape, then will be width, height and depth. If depth is coming, that is 3D figure. Note down example of 2D figure. Example, triangle, Next, square. Next, pentagon. So many are there, etc. Next, keep adding 3D, three-dimensional, yeah, three dimensions. Three dimensionals. A 3D shape is a shape. A 3D shape is a shape A 3D shape is a shape with three dimensions, such as width, comma, height and depth. Height and depth. Height and depth. Right. Now down example. Example of 3D, three-dimensional. Example of three-dimensional. Cube. Example, cube. Example one. Example, cube, cuboid. Next, cone, cylinder. Cylinder is not gas cylinder. Cylinder. Next, sphere. Etc. Now keep heading. Plane figure. Plane figure. A shape or figure. A shape or figure drawn on 2D plane. Drawn on 2D plane. This is the childhood definition. Now, next point is very important. A shape of figure drawn on 2D plane. Paragraph change. Plane figure or plane figure or plane figures or flat two-dimensional shape. 2D shapes. This Ritesh has given this answer. Plane figure or flat 2D shapes. This star point is very, very important star point. Plane figure can be made up of plane figure can be made of straight lines, straight lines, straight lines, straight lines, comma, curved lines, curved lines, or both. Straight and curved lines. Let's keep heading. Solid figure. Here we can say circle is the chord. This is circle is the plane figure. Next rectangle is square. Triangle all are the plane figure. Next solid figure. Solid figure. A figure that has 3 dimensions. A figure that has 3 dimensions. 3 dimensions, that is length, comma width, and height. Now keep heading. Difference between 2D and 3D. 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 Difference between difference between 2D and 3D. Difference between 2D and 3D. One side note down, 2D, second side 3D. First difference, everyone know very well. 2D has two dimension, example length and width. Three D has three dimensions, example length, width and height. Second point, 2D has two axes, 2D has two axes, note down. First one is X and Y. 3D has three axes, X, Y and Z. This point is very important point. And third point is the most important point. Third point, 2D do not have thickness. 2D does not have thickness. Three D has thickness. Fourth point, in 2D, two edges are visible. Two edges are visible. But if I'm talking about 3D, most of the edges are not visible. 3D figure we are observing like cone is there. Front we are looking only two faces appearing, but actual that is that 3D figure. Most edges are not visible or not visible. 2D figure is easy to drawing, but 3D figure is difficult to create. 2D figure is easy to create, but 3D figure it is difficult to create. These 4 points are very important points, student. Note down very clearly. Keep heading everyone, perimeter. Keep heading, perimeter. Left side, keep heading everyone, perimeter. Now down, what is perimeter? Perimeter. The length of the boundary the length of the boundary the length of the boundary of any plane figure of any plane figure or the sum of measure the sum of measure the sum of measure of all its sides is called perimeter. MET or not METRE. That is perimeter, that meter is different, this perimeter is different.